Alright YouTube, so I just got my second oil change. So pretty much I'm at a TA. A lot of times TAs loves small mechanic shops that you could probably find on your GPS. They do work on your truck. Every now and then you see a pilot that has a shop to where you can do tires and stuff like that. But my thing is, since it's nighttime, I pretty much drop my trailer so that I know for sure I will have a parking spot. Because a lot of times at nighttime, parking spots fill up really quick. So you got to be really smart about trying to keep a spot that you know you want to have. Because if not, you'll be finding yourself reserving a spot if they even got any left. I lock my trailer, obviously, because if you detach from a trailer, you don't want it to where you come back and your trailer's gone because somebody done stole your trailer. So this time though, I made a video about how I made the mistake and back under my trailer, forgot that the lock was on there, and I pretty much done bent it on it the way I had to get it burnt off. So this is a second oil change, and I'm gonna show y'all the price of it if I can get some good lighting. But let me cover up my sensitive information. Hold up, wait a minute guys. So I got a oil change, a PM and a grease, and yeah, oil change, PM and a grease. Usually when you're doing your preventive maintenance, you want to do pretty much an oil change, a preventive maintenance and a grease. And a lot of times you want to do it, especially if you leasing or buying your truck, and if it's like semi-synthetic, you want to do it between 25,000 to 30,000 miles. Between, like, that's when you do your oil changes. So on this 2019 Freightliner Cascadia, it takes 10.5 gallons of oil, and it takes 1030 like 10W30 Velocity oil, semi-synthetic Delo. So that's what it takes. So let me see. So pretty much for this is what the receipt from a TA usually looks like. So the grand total for everything was $442.52. So that included for these 2019 Freightliner Cascadia, they got one oil filter, and it has 3 fill filters. It has 2 side by side where the primer is, and then it has another fill filter where you can see through the glass. These have that. So that's what it costs, $400 something for a grease, oil change, and what I say, grease, oil change. Oh yeah, and the PM. Yeah, I knew I was forgetting something. So just for proof in the pudding, let me show y'all that, yeah, I ain't gonna sit here and bend this thing up no dang more. I can tell you that. So gotta have my handy dandy flashlight. So y'all walk with a sister, make sure I'm safe. I might just kind of just back under and leave it as is. This time I even put a bag on that joint, so when I go to take off my my lock, it's not super dirty. But this is what it looks like. Cause I remember last time somebody like, ooh, you put your lock on there, but you gonna have a filthy dirty thing. That's so stupid. Okay, mister, you right, but you ain't gotta be so mean about it. Some of y'all people are just mean. See, nice and clean. So let me take the bag down. All right. Y'all, as y'all know, I always work in the dark. Since I've been out here for 2 years, and I have not had no problem. I'm not gonna say yet because I don't believe in calling up the negative, so I'm not gonna have no problem. Pretty much it's the way you carry yourself. If you carry yourself in a manner to where you look like you don't play, then I really don't believe that you truly will have any problems. I mean, I've been pretty much working night, like being out here at nighttime pretty much since I was on my trailer's truck. So I don't really know what it's like to work day unless I work a little bit of the day and then it's going into night. So obviously, guys, if you're a lease operator, this is a receipt. So this is a tax write-off. So what I do is I file my receipt away in my August folder because I write the months of my receipts on the folder so I know what months that receipt is. And then also too, if you work here at USA, every 28th of the month, you guys submit a macro 28, and that pretty much is telling them what type of work you had done on your truck. So I need to keep this receipt handy. I'll probably do it now so it'll kind of be done before the 28th. But for now, I'm just gonna file it away in my August envelope. So I have all my receipts. I throw every single receipt in all my envelopes for the month or whatever. That's how I keep up with my tax write-offs or whatever. But this is for you, Party Hard. Like, this is the dang Halo View camera. You can't really see how clear it is, but this thing is recording. And if you ever do get to put the camera up, make sure you have a good SD card that has a lot of memory, because it really won't go into record unless it has sufficient memory. And I got like 128 gigabytes, so that way that I know for sure that it can really have the space to operate. So yeah, but all right, y'all, I'm about to back up under this trailer. At least I ain't made no mistake this time, so y'all ain't got to be teasing me, laughing at me, talking shit. Fuck y'all, is the ones that got something to say. So all right, y'all, time's the essence. Let's make better time of it. Let's love each other, not judge each other, because I never judge y'all, and I love y'all. So deuces.